Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change Ford Escape brake pads. First, gather all your necessary tools, including a jack, lug wrench, and the new brake pads. Always prioritize safety by ensuring your vehicle is securely supported on jack stands before you begin any work. Once the car is stable, you can proceed to remove the wheel and locate the brake caliper assembly. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth replacement process. Next, we'll focus on the caliper. You'll need to loosen and remove the two caliper guide pin bolts. Once those are out, carefully slide the entire caliper assembly off the rotor. Remember to support the caliper so it doesn't hang by the brake line, which could cause damage. Now, you can easily remove the old brake pads from the caliper bracket. Take a moment to inspect the rotor for any significant wear or damage. Now it's time for the new pads. Before installing them, you'll need to compress the caliper piston back into its housing. A C-clamp or a specialized caliper compression tool works perfectly for this. Once the piston is retracted, place the new brake pads into the caliper bracket. Carefully slide the caliper back over the rotor and align it. Finally, reinsert and securely tighten the two caliper guide pin bolts to the manufacturer's specifications. With the new pads in place, it's time to finish up. Reinstall the wheel, ensuring the lug nuts are tightened correctly. Carefully lower your Ford Escape off the jack stands. Before driving, pump the brake pedal several times until it feels firm. This seats the new pads against the rotor. Finally, take your vehicle for a short, low-speed test drive in a safe area to confirm proper brake function. Congratulations, you've changed your brake pads.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.